Hi everybody! Welcome to Story Time. I'm Miss Tracy.
And I'm Miss Alyssa.
We are so happy to be bringing you the Storytime video today.
We're going to have lots of fun today with books, puppets, and music.
So, are you guys ready to get warmed up?
Hooray, story time! Hooray, story time! I'm so glad to be with you today. Hooray, story time! Hooray, story time! And I'm so glad to be with you today. We'll laugh and sing and rhyme and play, tell the stories our own way, have some fun and say hooray. What a way to start the day! Yeah. Hooray, story time! Hooray, story time! And I'm so glad to be with you today. Hooray, story time! Hooray, story time! And I'm so glad to be with you. And you, 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 and you today. Yay!
Hi everybody, it's Miss Tracy. And guess what? It's time for a read aloud. Today I'm going to be sharing Spunky Little Monkey by Bill Martin Jr. and Michael Sampson. Let's get started. Spunky Little Monkey by Bill Martin Jr. Sleepy little monkey won't get out of bed. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, apple juice, orange juice, gooseberry pies. Monkey needs some exercise. Rutabaga, sis, boom, ba. Pop up, monkey, rah, rah, rah. First you get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Have you got the rhythm of the head, ding dong? Then you get the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap. Have you got the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap? Then you get the rhythm of the feet, stomp, stomp. Have you got the rhythm of the feet, stomp, stomp? Then you get the rhythm of the hips, shake, shake. Have you got the rhythm of the hips, shake, shake? Put them all together, you'll be feeling so much better. Ding dong, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, shake, shake. Do them backwards nice and quick, you'll feel perky, that's the trick. Shake, shake, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, ding dong. Rutabaga, sis, boom, ba. Monkey, monkey, rah, rah, rah. Spunky little monkey, ready for the day. Come on, monkey, let's go play. Hi guys, it's Miss Tracy again, and it's time for a story. Today, Monkey and I would like to share a story based on the book The Purple Kangaroo by Michael Ian Black.
Hey, you.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Guess what?
What?
I've got a super secret, highly unusual, incredible, amazing, magical power. I can read minds. It's true. In fact, I can read your mind.
We'll see.
I want you to close your eyes and think of something.
What kind of something?
Something spectacular. I want you to think of something so spectacular that nobody has ever thought of it in the entire history of thinking about things. Got it?
Yep.
And now, drum roll, please. And now, I will use my super secret, highly unusual, incredible, amazing, and slightly alarming superpowers.
Look deep into my eyes. Concentrate.
Wait, I see something. It's becoming clearer and clearer. Got it. You were thinking about a purple kangaroo.
No, I wasn't.
You weren't? thinking about a purple kangaroo? That's strange. Do you mean to tell me that you weren't thinking about a purple kangaroo looking for his best friend, a wild-eyed chinchilla named Senor Ernesto de Pantalones,
No.
while wearing roller skates?
No.
So, in the course of his search, this purple kangaroo didn't find 5 fragrant bananas, which he juggled
No.
while blowing an enormous rainbow gum bubble out of his nose,
What? No.
and that a crowd of excited onlookers, upon seeing this trick, didn't shower the purple kangaroo with gold coins, which he then used to hire a giant paisley blimp to search for his very best friend, the wild-eyed chinchilla known as Senor Ernesto de Pantalones?
That's ridiculous.
And that while aboard this blimp, he didn't entertain the pilot, Admiral Margarita Flowerpuffer, with feats of hula-hooping daring-do on the moon? Are you really going to sit there and tell me that you weren't thinking about a banana juggling, roller skating, hula-hooping, rainbow bubble gum nose blowing, paisley patterned blimp floating, wild-eyed chinchilla Senor Ernesto de Pantalones searching purple kangaroo
No.
on the moon?
No.
Really? Guess what?
What?
You're thinking of one now.
You tricked me.
See? I told you I could read your mind.
Hey friends, now it's time for a song about monkeys. This song is called 5 Little Monkeys, and you can help me sing it by holding up your 5 little fingers to be the 5 little monkeys. Every time one falls off the bed, you can take one finger away. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. This is so silly. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Yay! Great job, friends. All right, friends, it's time for another story about monkeys. I would love to tell you a story called Monkey Face by Frank Asch. And it is about a little monkey who one day at school drew a fabulous picture of his mom. Yes, it was so great. On his way home, he was running home to show her, and he ran into Owl. "Hoo, hoo, hoo," said Owl. "May I see your picture?" "Sure," said Monkey. So Monkey showed him the picture. No. Your mother won't like this at all. Her eyes are much too small. You need to fix it." So Monkey took his pen and drew some bigger eyes. "Oh, much better," said Owl. "Hoo, hoo, hoo, hoo." Next, Monkey ran into Rabbit. Rabbit, Rabbit! Check out my picture of my mom I drew at school today. Rabbit took a look at the picture. No. Your mother won't like this at all. The ears are much too small. They need to be longer. You should fix it. So, Monkey took his pen and he made the ears much longer. There. Does that look good now? Oh, yes. It's just splendid, said the rabbit. Next, Monkey ran into Alligator. Right. Let me see that picture you drew. Is this supposed to be your mom? Said the alligator. Yeah, said Monkey. Oh, no. Her teeth are much too small. She needs some big chompers. You should fix it. So, Monkey took his marker and drew some really big teeth on his mom. Yes, this is much better. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, said Monkey. Well, you wouldn't believe this, but next he ran into an elephant. Oh, is this your mother? Said the elephant. Yes, it is. It's a portrait of my mother that I drew at school, said Monkey. Oh, it's nice, but her nose is almost non-existent. I think you should give her a bigger nose. Oh, really? Said Monkey. Okay, so he drew her a really long nose. Oh, this is absolutely unforgettable, said the elephant. How do you think Monkey's picture's looking? Next, Monkey ran into a lion. Oh, say, is that your mother? Wow, this is a nice picture, Monkey, but she hardly has any hair up on her head. You should give her a long, fabulous mane, like mine. So Monkey took his marker and he drew a long, fabulous mane on his mother. Oh, yes. Most becoming. Well, Monkey was almost home at this point, and he ran into a very long-necked friend. Hello, said the giraffe. Is that a picture of your mother? Let me see. It's nice, but her neck is terribly short and stumpy. I think she needs a longer neck. So Monkey took his pen and drew a really long neck for his mother. Oh, truly elevating, said the giraffe. Monkey finally made it home to his mother, and he was excited to show her his picture. What do you think she's going to think? Well, his mother took one look at his picture and she said, Monkey, I love it just the way it is. And she proudly hung it upon their refrigerator for all to see. The end.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Bye-bye, butterfly.
Take care, polar bear.
Be nice, little mice.
See you soon, raccoon.
So long, King Kong.
Blow a kiss, goldfish.
Give a hug, ladybug.
Out the door, dinosaur. Bye.